welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. We are going to be testing a DIY Peeps marshmallow slime recipe. And who would have thought that you can make slime out of Peeps? Like, what? We're gonna see if you can actually make these Peeps marshmallows into a slime that you can play with and even eat. So yeah, let's just get straight on into the video because I cannot wait. And it's even more crazy because this slime recipe only needs 2 ingredients. Obviously, the first ingredient is Peeps. And the other thing you'll need for this recipe is some powdered sugar. So yeah, let's get on to the recipe. You want to start off with a bowl. And it just has to be like a microwave safe bowl because we will be microwaving the Peeps. So obviously we're going to be putting the Peeps in the bowl. So I'm going to put in about 5. That's what the recipe says. But honestly, it depends on how big you want your slime to be. And we're just going to put these in the microwave until they get into like a, you know, melted texture kind of. And they'll be easier to like mix and stuff. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, so I put this in the microwave and as you can see, they melted a lot. So we have to work pretty quickly because the marshmallow can harden up again. So I'm just gonna mix this a bit. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This already looks like slime. Alright, so now we're going to add our powdered sugar and I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. And the powdered sugar is just supposed to like harden it a bit more. Oh my gosh, you guys. I actually think this is gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands even though I feel like it's gonna be super sticky. Oh my gosh. I love how the Peeps like give it a blue color. All right, I finally added more powdered sugar and we're gonna mix it more. Guys, oh my gosh, this is turning into slime. Guys, so here's the finished slime. I actually am really impressed with this. Like, look at how thick this is. It reminds me a lot of like fondant or something. I think they actually do make marshmallow fondant. And I am honestly so surprised that you can actually make slime out of Peeps. And it isn't like a slime that you can actually, you know, like make bubbles with and all that stuff, but it is like Play-Doh kind of, and it's fun to just squish in your hands, but it's also edible. Okay, that is so delicious. So overall, I would definitely recommend this recipe, and you most likely have the ingredients at home. You could also just do this with marshmallows. It doesn't have to be Peeps, because Peeps are marshmallows. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and yeah, bye guys!